Hi everybody, welcome back. This is a mini clip. What the heck? No, whatever. Two birds fighting. Yeah, in my last video, I made this awesome cover. And I remember when I showed my brother the video, he almost cracked up because the yellow, this one, looks like me. Okay, so yeah. I have loads of cups left and I want to spend them all. So yeah. This is what I'm going to be doing. I keep on saying so. I'm going to be pouring this into here, a little bit of that. Don't need the rest. A little bit of this. That. And I'm hoping it won't make it that stupid black color. I don't know. It looks so bad. I hate it. I don't keep on looking at the camera. So yeah, I'm just going to pour all these colors in here. So I can have an extra cup for my pea color. Did you guys know that there's a gravel called pea gravel? That's a fact. What the heck was that? Oh my god. So yeah, you might pea gravel. Oh my god. I just broke out laughing. Why did I do that? Okay, so I'm gonna get some vinegar right here. Wait, should I be doing this? Yeah, I'm gonna put some of it. See if I can explode like that. Okay, so much vinegar in there. I'm just gonna dump the whole. If I wanted to, I would just dump the whole pan. But that would be wasteful, and I'm not a wasteful person. I'm just gonna dump the whole vinegar. Just for the fun of it. Please don't explode. Pea color. Okay, so good. Oh yeah, I forgot that one. Okay. Don't make that one. Oh, I like that color. I love it. So yeah, next thing I'm gonna do is just do this. Okay, got the color I wanted. So yeah. That's gonna be my mixing bowl. What the heck? Yeah, this is at my house. And yeah, I'm going to do this really quickly because I don't want to make this last so long. See, I'm going to pour some of this into here. Okay, I don't want that to overflow. And guys, this might be a little longer one, even though I said it would be a mini clip. Put some of that into there. Put some of that green into the green. And put the red into that. And yeah, guys, this is getting a really long video. And I'm going to finish.